Well, good morning, everybody. I am glad to see a lot of smiles, a lot of dialogue, hopefully to follow later today. And from our side, from the Illumina team, thank you for being here today. You've invested your time today to be with us. This day is all about finding purpose, right? The why. And looking at this beautiful new instrument we're launching today, I was just checking with Amadou. The MiSeq old version has been in the field for more than 14 years. And that system has led to many breakthroughs, many discoveries. And we don't say that and claim that from a space of arrogance, but to show you that Illumina is here to help you in your mission. Thank you for being here, and to the team that has been working behind the scenes to get this day aligned and set up. Thank you to you guys as well. And enjoy it.